Buddy, check this out. Kung ang hanap mo nga ay move-in ready single attached minimalist house sa Las Piñas, don't skip this video. This is Pao Pepito, your home search buddy. Yes, buddy, move-in ready dahil ito na ang ating actual unit. Fully finished upon turnover at installed na rin ang water and electricity. Kaya naman kung nagmamadali kang makalipat, ay para sa iyo to, buddy. Open layout, spacious na living at dining area. Included na rin ang cabinet sa kitchen and bedrooms. Kaya naman less hassle at dadali mo na lang ang gamit at family mo. Lot area is 102 square meters. May provision ka na for 2 carport. Single attached unit. Kaya naman may extra lot ka sa side na magagamit mo for lanay and future home expansion. Floor area is 117 square meters. May own toilet and bath na ang master's bedroom. Total of 3 bedroom, toilet and bath, and 1 powder room. Nasa loob ng gated subdivision at hindi binabaha. Located sa Sihanouk Village, Talon 4, Las Piñas. Few minutes drive to Alabang sa Potter Road. Kaya naman napaka-accessible nito sa lahat. Total contract price is 9,695,000 and with just 10% down payment. At ang ating estimated monthly amortization is 61,000. Kaya naman buddy, kung nagustuhan mo ito, send me direct message para ma-schedule na natin ang exclusive house viewing mo. So, bye-bye!